Okay. Can you say hi, Elliot? It's your very first meal. Whole grain brown rice organic cereal. Check it out. Ooh, do you want to eat this? Mmm. What do you think? Yum. You gotta swallow it. Mmm. Yum. See, look, Mommy will take a bite of her soup. That's gross. See? Mmm. Okay. Let's try again. You want that sippy cup now? Let's try this. Mmm. Yeah. Now swallow it. It's food. Didn't you know? You're supposed to swallow it. Oh, he's got a good attitude about the whole thing. He's like, I guess you just put this stuff in my mouth. I'll just spit it out. You want to try again?
He's too busy looking at me.
It tastes delicious. Did you get some down that time? Not really. Okay. That's gross. Alright. You want to take one good... Yeah, you see? You've been looking at Mom and Dad's food for weeks and weeks. There you go. Good job. Oh, he's got it now.
Good
Did you
job.
Did you stop filming
No,
already?
I didn't. Good work. Do it again.
Yum, yum, yum.
Now swallow. Swallow.
Oh, okay.
He goes after it though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's delicious.
Mmm. Tastes like formula.
Oh.
Okay. We can do it. Don't spit on your shirt. Oh, nice catch, Mom.
He wants that sippy cup.
I know he does. Okay, you want a little? Are you just thirsty? Show us how you can do the sippy cup. We'll eat cup. He doesn't know what he wants.
No. He's never had so many options.
No. Hi. Huh. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. There you go. Oh, you want this now?
So April, how do you think this is going so far?
I think it's going pretty well. He's not mad about it.
No, he's
That's
not.
about the best we can. Oh, good job, bud. You gotta tilt it up to drink it, okay? Just like that. That's what makes the water come out. Oh, just wanted to chew it? Okay.
And I think that's the signal to stop the
All right.
recording. Say bye.
Bye, Daddy. We're gonna keep trying. Oh, you wanna hold the spoon?